Well, I've been in the water business for about 20 years now and have watched the scarcity of water impact the entire water industry. What we've seen the public utilities focus on in the recent past is conservation of water, capture of water, or conservation of electricity or energy in any factor.
Here at OC San, we spend a lot of time and effort and money mitigating some of those problems. Alfa Laval helps us with these larger sustainability and reuse goals.
Alfa Laval's equipment is located here at the digesters as well as the dewatering facilities at Orange County Sanitation.
The sludge that is collected is supplied to the digester, and it needs to be maintained at a certain temperature to promote digestion of the biosolids.
The Alfa Laval spiral heat exchanger offers an extremely energy efficient technology to transfer heat and maintain the heat in the anaerobic digesters.
When compared to other heat exchanger technologies available in the market, the spiral heat exchanger is at least twice as efficient. We are reducing the heat transfer surface area required for the same energy demand.
The heat exchangers that we have in service right now are kind of a set it and forget it type of heat exchanger. We're able to service those fairly quickly. Also, we're able to heat 2 digesters at one time. So our flexibility that Alfa Laval has given us allows us to do those things. Generally speaking, our energy consumption has gone way down.
Sludge is transferred from the anaerobic digesters to the centrifuges.
The centrifuges here at OC San take sewage that has been digested, separates the solids from the liquids. You get dry cake out one end and clean water out the other.
Alfa Laval, what they've helped us do is increase our cake percentage and decrease our hauling costs. We were hauling about 20 trucks a day. Now we've cut that basically in half down to 10 trucks per day. That's quite a bit of savings annually. Prior to our installation of these centrifuges, we had 17 belt presses. So you can imagine the energy that's used. Now we're down to 5 centrifuges, with typically only using 3 at a time. Our energy consumption went down by about 30%. So that was a huge savings for us.
They have not only been able to achieve their energy efficiency goals, but also increase their water capture rates. Water conservation and energy efficiency are key metrics at the top of everybody's mind in the water industry. Alfa Laval has proven to be a strategic partner in achieving these goals. There won't be a bid for a centrifuge project or a heat exchanger project that Alfa Laval isn't considered for. That's because they have a brand name that is very well known and respected throughout the water industry.